Hello and welcome to Weekend Investing Daily Bites. We are shooting episode number 107. Today we are going to talk about very important change in the rebalance procedure at small case. I'll also take you through the entire rebalance process for new users as well as the change that we are seeing on the rebalance process. So let's first go look at the markets. Markets were all green. Nifty started very strong, and the entire day market kept going up. The sectors which had really run up in the past few days, like reality, some metal stocks, they were having a soft day. But energy, public sector enterprise, IT stocks, infra stocks, they were all quite bullish. As you can see in the last week, the two sectors, energy stocks and the public sector enterprise stocks, have run up quite a bit, as well as the PSU banks. And these first two sectors continued their run. In terms of the indices, Nifty closed almost 0.75% up, and the rest of the indices were also up between 0.5% and 0.75%. Within the small cases of weekend investing, MI ATH2 did very well today. It was up almost 2%. MI25 also was up 1.8%. So most indices are again near either their all-time highs or are at all-time highs. So everything looks quite robust and green right now. There is no cause of any worry as of now. Most strategies clocked a gain of 0.5% to about 2%. So nothing really of worry here. Let's go to our topic of the day, which is rebalance. So I'll just walk you through this rebalance manual that we have, and this is available on the Weekend Investing Hub. So basically, what is a rebalance? So rebalance is basically a process of reviewing the portfolio. So on most of our strategies, we have a weekly rebalance, and on some of our strategies, we have a monthly rebalance. So rebalance is nothing but a periodic review of the portfolio, and we make changes if there are any at that periodic review. So the review will basically look at which stocks to buy, in case there is a buy, how much to buy, and if there is a sell, then which the rebalance will ask you to sell, and basically the when and how much of the buys and sells get taken care of, and this is the process for it. So basically we have a current portfolio, stock A, B and C, and we run our proprietary algo that tells us at the end of each rebalance period, let's say a weekly period, we'll know that C is going out and X is coming in. We update the small case platform with it. You get notified by the small case platform through several ways, either through the app or through the email, etc. Then you go and click you accept that rebalance, and with a few clicks you are able to make that change in your own small case. So this is the flow of the entire rebalance process. Now, how to execute a rebalance? So these are the steps. You can log into your small case accounts and click on investments. This is if you are going through the desktop version. So if you go to smallcase.com and you enter into your account, you will see investments there. Once you click on investments, it will list all the small cases that you have. So like for instance, this will pop up, MI25 if you have, and you can click the rebalance here on the rebalance button and click confirm. Now once you click confirm, you will see that the detail of the rebalance is already here. So the text will tell you which stock is coming in, which stock is going out, and we can do this green button here of rebalance small case, and all the orders will basically go through, all the sells will go through, and all the buys will go through, and it will ask you for a confirmation also. So this is how the rebalance is done, and you will get a confirmation like this that all the orders have been filled, and that was the part on the desktop. Now you can also do it from the email notification. So if the email is coming to you and you're waiting for the email is actually a backup, so you need not wait for the email. But in case you are not in a hurry to do the rebalances, then you can do it from the email notification also. So you can open that email. The subject will be rebalance updates pending for your small cases, and you can click the see update. This will be the format of the email image that you will see, and you will click update, and you will be taken to your login to your small case account, and there you click see update, and you can also customize your order and ignore all incremental changes. And I'll share this document with you. It's already there on the hub, and you can watch this video. So earlier what we were saying was that ignore incremental changes, because each incremental change brings a depository cost to you. So if you sell 10 stocks of 1 share each, it will cost you 15 rupees each for each transaction. So what we were doing was we were suggesting you to ignore small changes and do the whole rebalance once in 4 to 6 weeks, so that you keep in sync with the model portfolio. And I'll tell you what is the difference now in the new way of rebalance coming forth. But let's go through this. So once you click confirm update, you would see all the details of your the rebalance. The buys and sells will come here, and it would get filled once you do the rebalance update. And I am also showing you on the app. So if you open the small case app, and you will see this button here, see update option, or you can also go into the notification and go there, or you can go into the investments and see the investments and then go there. Again, you will see that rebalance update is available on the app, and you click that, and again you will come to the page where all the buys and sells are listed. You could customize the order if you wanted to, and we were suggesting you to do so for all the incremental changes so far, but now it is not required. Let's go to the page where we are saying that the changes are done. So incremental changes, let me also spend some time on incremental changes. We had come out with a video also on incremental changes. So basically what happens is that prices are moving in the market. Let's say on a Friday or on a weekend, we have updated the model portfolio and some stock has a 10% allocation. Now on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, let's say, that stocks moves wildly from 100 rupees even to 120 rupees, something like that. So somebody who comes in with a SIP, let's say on Wednesday, or somebody who comes in with a new investment on Wednesday, the weightage for because the price is moving, the weights of the model portfolio have stayed where they are, but the price is moving. So your quantities will be very different from where would have been 3 days back, right? So to that extent, your portfolio may start to deviate from the model portfolio. Let's say there is no rebalance in the model portfolio for several weeks together, but prices are moving. So these moving prices will cause your weights to be different if you are coming during that between rebalances. So to bring your portfolio closer to the model portfolio, the small case algorithm used to suggest incremental changes, sell one share of these stocks or buy some quantities to bring you closer to the model portfolio with each rebalance change. What that was doing was that it was causing additional cost to you, especially on the sell side because of dematerialized demat costs, and we were asking you to avoid them on every week and only execute the actual rebalance, the changes in the portfolio that were happening, and the small changes in the existing stocks were being asked to be ignored. So I'll just skip this. And so now what is happening is that small case has changed the algorithm by a little bit. Now what is happening is that these incremental change orders, let's say there's one share of some 100 rupee stock is being asked to go out. Now that order will not show up. That order will only show up if that order is worth at least 1% of your small case value, or 500 rupees at a minimum. So if it is a very small order, the system will ignore it. If it is of value of 1% of your small case value or 500 rupees, then the incremental change order will come to you. So if earlier you were getting 10 incremental changes, maybe now sometimes you may get one, or sometimes one or two. But that whole list of each stock going through some small adjustments, that will not happen for most people. And that will ease out your rebalancing process a lot. So you just have to breeze through the rebalance now as originally it was intended to be, so that your experience of running this small case should be very, very smooth. There should not be any need for customizations, etc. But we were having to do this to save you some money. But now that with this algo having been changed by small case, we can just press the rebalance and go through. But always remember, you must read the text of the rebalance before confirming it, so that the text contains the name of the stocks which are going out and coming in, so that when you see the changes that are being proposed, you actually know that these are the only changes that are being proposed. So that check you must do. Additionally, one check you must periodically do is go to the model portfolio and see the constituents and the weights and compare it with what you are holding. That also is a periodic check which is required, because sometimes some error may happen somewhere and you may not even know it for weeks together, and your portfolio will keep deviating from the model. So once a week, once in few weeks, do make that check that you are in sync with the portfolio, model portfolio. And in case you make a manual trade, so if some stock has maybe hit a circuit and you are wanting to do a manual trade there, in case you do a manual trade, please inform the small case email about the change that you have made manually, because they need to sync your account with the change that you have made outside the small case app or the desktop. Please remember that small case backend cannot go and see your Demat account. It is beyond the privacy limit. So they cannot go and automatically see what you're holding. You have to tell them what you're holding, and they can sync your account with it. So I hope that this video will bring some clarity to rebalance, and a huge impediment to the user experience that was being marred because of these customized changes that was happening has been laid to rest, and the small case experience of breezing through has returned. So I'm very happy, and a lot of users have confirmed this from this last Monday's rebalance, that the rebalance has been very, very smooth, and they are extremely happy about it. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in another one. Bye.